Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we will talk about how to save contacts to Google Drive. Then I will show you how to use your backup. So it's very simple, let's get started. First we need to open Google Drive app and create a folder. Name it whatever you want. Now let's open the phone app, tap on contacts. Here, let's first backup only one of the contacts. This one. We tap the three dots at the top right, then share. Continue. Pick Google Drive. If you want to select multiple contacts to backup, on iPhone just tap the three dots at the top right. Here you will see the option. On Android, if you are on Android like me, we don't have any option to backup multiple contacts on our Google Drive. I'm using Android and Google Drive isn't the best option to backup contacts on Android devices. So the best option is just select settings and the fastest option, just select settings, then search bar, type Google Contact Synchronization and turn it on. Select Google account and whatever device you're using, if you log into your Google account, you will see the contacts in your phone app.